So I just experienced a 5 loss streak in the market. And this has been the biggest loss streak I've had in the last 3.5 years of trading. And it wasn't until the end of the month when I was even able to become break even. What's going on, everyone? So obviously you've seen by the title what this video is about. So I'm just going to go into a few details of what's been going on this month, basically. So last week I didn't record a video because I had quite a serious migraine, and obviously I'm at my full-time job, so I couldn't record everything. But going forward on this, if I jump to the charts, or if I just jump to my screen, the account metrics, you'll see what's really been going on. So you can see I've had a 5 loss streak this month. But it wasn't just a 5 loss streak that really got me. You can see it was the commissions that are really killing me. So I tried to Google a lot of it to see if other people can relate to this commissions and slippage and spreads. And not really a lot of people are talking about it. And it's really killing me off in the prop firm space and my personal account. So it's not so bad on a personal account, but on a prop firm account, when you're trying to pass a challenge and you're trying to make 150%, it really makes a massive difference. So on this chart, you can see I've had a 1% loss. That for me, it's $2,000. But it's not just $2,000. It's $2,295. Then the next one will be $2,312. Then I've got another one that's $2,490. And then I had 2 losses were equated to just over $5,000, which was about $2,500 a trade. Then one of them slipped me, and it didn't just lose 2,000; it lost 2,720. And it's not only just that. Then you get into the profits. So when I'm hitting take profit, that my target is $6,000, which is a 1 to 3 for me. On this particular position, I only made $5,508. So that's a total of $500 taken off me for commission. And then another one, a profit of $5,376, which should have been $6,000, and they take that amount off. And then this one, minus $2,610, and it should have only been $2,000. And this one was, I only risked half on that one, so it is what it is. That was a 1 to 3, but you can see where commissions really start to add up, because I'll throw up this screenshot right now. Let me get it up. I've got it right here on the back, right here. That's not it. That's not it. Here. You can see I've got this screenshot right here. So this is basically what it is. So with all of these added up, minus maybe give or take 100, probably taking 100, the total losses would be just over 1%, even with the wins. But in reality, if I switch to this screenshot, I should be, well, it says 4,000 if I risked actual 1% on this position, but it was only half. So I should still be 1% in profit. Sorry about that. And so you can really see where this starts to add up and starts to take you out at break even. Now currently I'm at break even on these positions, but because of spreads and commissions, I'm down 1.5%. So you can see where this really starts to add up, and it doesn't matter how far or how good of a trader you are, the commissions start eating away at you. It does make it really, really difficult. But yeah, that's pretty much what's been going on. There's not really anything happened this week. I had 3 good positions that hit, but for the majority, it was really shit. So the question is, what do you see happening next for this week? Well, there's only 2 more days, I'm pretty sure, of this month, so there's not really much going to happen. But if I'm looking on the chart now, I can pretty much tell where price is going to go. We're going to come in and feel this imbalance here, anywhere between here. If I pull out a fib level, go from the high to the low, we can pretty much see it's already on the 50% now, but I reckon it will feel this big fair value gap here, this big imbalance in price, and then maybe we will get a position going down. for shorts for Euro USD for this week. If it takes this high out, then then the trade's completely invalid. But if I zoom out slightly, we can see, even if I go on the 4 hour, this is what I see for this week. So we've created this big trend, this big 4 hour trend going up. We broke out of it. We've actually broke out of it now. We've pushed down. We're going to come back and fill this imbalance, if not this order block at the top, and then we'll push down here. If we do break above there, I will be quite surprised. But I'm really just looking for shorts this week on euro dollar to fill this imbalance, give a model sometime in London session or New York session, and then we'll be looking to short it back down to the previous daily low. That will be pretty much what my full process will be this week. But that's pretty much it, really. There's not really been much going on for me for this week. It's been a really dead week, to be honest. Really slow. The market conditions have been terrible. Like if I go onto the daily chart, like I can show you what I mean. I've had maybe 6 months of really good positions and 6 months being profitable. I usually average around 6 to 12% a month, which I think is quite good. And then maybe a couple of losing months in a year, but it doesn't really, doesn't really touch the winning months. But you can see I got funded 100k in just end of July, and then since July, this whole August, you can see that this is just complete shit. This whole month has been shit, and then September as well has been mostly shit. It's only just in the last couple of days, on Wednesday or Thursday, is when I got a couple of wins, is when it actually started to move. So this whole last 2 months have just been a complete load of consolidation, just a load of shit, and nothing's been happening. So this is what I see going forward. Hopefully the markets kind of pick up a little bit better, which I can see they're starting to move again, which is nice. So we'll go from there, and then hopefully I can fill you lot in on a little bit of a better positions. And on a quick side note, I've just opened up a free Telegram group, so you're more than welcome to join. It's free. I'm going to be sharing all of my positions I'm taking, everything I'm looking for on the day, my daily bias, my entries, my exits, my take profits. I'm going to be sticking it all there on the Telegram group. It's all there, the link in my bio. So yeah, or it's going to be in the video description as well. So if you want to sign up, or if you want to join, it's completely free. You might win some trades. We'll see. But yeah, thanks, and I'll hopefully next time we do a video, we will have a lot more to talk about, a lot more wins, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one.